Hey everyone, super stoked to have you here in my second ever video. Again, this YouTube. It's not going to be a super long one. It's just going to be a collection of clips that I gained from with my good friend Zach. We had a little 2-night camping trip down the coast. It was super fun. A lot of fun stuff happened. Dude, you're just repeating yourself. It's going to be a collection of clips down south. Went for a couple surfs, a couple swims. Just had a good time in general, so it's going to be a fun little video. Not going to be super long, but I'm going to focus on doing more of the vlogging kind of stuff in the next couple videos. But I thought this was some crazy content that we got. Super fun, met some amazing people. So hopefully you enjoy it, and hopefully in the near future I create some better and cool content for everyone. So thank you. Cheers. Have a good one. Cheers. So we're at the beach. It's fair sick. Winds offshore. It's honestly like 3 degrees. Zach's up the back there just checking it. It's honestly so cold, but it should be fun. Should get a couple. I'm gonna take the GoPro out. Hopefully I don't drop it. I don't have a leash, so hopefully we can sort something out. But bit offshore. Let's go. So I just rocked up to cook up dinner at this spot in Prevelly, and it is freaking insane. Zach and I are cooking up some chicken that's super spicy, but it's pretty good. But what's better is this view, man. Unreal. What it's about, guys. Just shooting it somewhere with your mates, going for surfs, going to the ocean, setting up a little spot, cooking dinner. Absolutely unreal. I cannot wait to do this more.
Let's get better than this. So good.
It really doesn't. I'm using a
You're going ham on that.
blunt knife on a Kiwi.
Cheers, mate.